For a series for ISTE, Professor Helen Crompton from Old Dominion University unpacks the term environment to include 4 components. 1. Locations where learning occurs. 2. Connectivity for students and teachers to access information and people. 3. Social and cultural influences, including people's attitudes and perceptions of technology use. And 4. The tools students and teachers use in those environments. What practices and strategies do you use to help find and manage technology resources throughout learning environments? How do you ensure online and blended environments effectively support learning? Check out this video from Espitz in Fairfax County for ideas on how they embody visionary leadership in their daily work. Each coach was asked to reflect on the following 3 questions. What are some of the best strategies you and teachers have used to integrate and manage digital resources? 2. How do you help teachers understand and perhaps adjust their approaches when incorporating online and blended learning opportunities? 3. How do you ensure that teachers select the best digital resources that align with learning goals, meet the needs of different students, and are easily integrated into the district infrastructure? As you review the videos, think about how you might respond to these same questions based upon your experiences in Espitz, or even working with other colleagues in your school. Do these responses bring up any questions?